In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully designed live landing page ready to collect subscribers and leads. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head to your dashboard. From there, look for the Sites section in the main navigation. Once you're inside the Sites area, click on the Landing Pages tab. This is where all of your existing landing pages will live and where you'll create new ones. To start a brand new landing page, click the button that says Create Landing Page or New Site, depending on the version you're seeing. Mailerlite will now ask you to set up a few basics before you jump into the design. Give your landing page a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. This name is usually just internal, so don't stress about making it perfect for visitors. Next, choose the subscriber group where you want new signups to be added. This is important for keeping your email list organized, so pick an existing group or create one that matches the goal of this page, like a newsletter or a specific campaign. Now you'll choose how you want to build the page. You have two main options. The first is the AI Builder. With this option, you'll answer a few questions about your goals, your industry, and your preferred style. Mailerlite will then generate a landing page layout for you automatically, which you can tweak later. The second option is to build from scratch or use a template. You can select a pre-designed template that's close to what you want, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Once you've chosen your method, you'll enter the drag and drop editor. On the left sidebar, you'll see different elements you can add to your page, like text blocks, images, forms, and buttons. Simply drag any element onto the page where you want it. To customize anything, click directly on the block. In the sidebar, you can edit the text, swap images, adjust colors, change fonts, and fine-tune spacing. You can also add entire sections, like hero areas, testimonials, or feature sections. If you create a section you really like, you can duplicate it or save it as a favorite to reuse on other pages. Don't forget to design the success page as well. This is what visitors see right after they sign up. It could be a simple thank you message, a confirmation note, or a page with a download link or next steps. Make sure it clearly confirms that their form submission worked. Next, move into the settings. Here, you can customize the page URL and add SEO details like a page title, keywords, and a description to help search engines understand what your page is about. You can also upload a favicon so your brand icon appears in the Browser tab. If you use analytics tools, this is where you can add integrations such as Google Analytics or a Facebook Pixel so you can track visits and conversions. Under the Forms section, review the fields you're collecting, like name and email, and decide whether to enable double opt-in for extra confirmation and compliance. When you're happy with everything, use the preview option to see how your page looks on both desktop and mobile. Make any final adjustments to spacing, fonts, or images so it looks clean and easy to read on all devices. Finally, click Save and Publish or Done Editing to push your landing page live. Your Mailerlite landing page is now ready to share, promote, and start collecting new subscribers.